Hey guys, thanks for taking a minute to check out my video here. What I'm going to be doing is loading up large format film, 4x5 direct positive Harmon paper into the Darkslides here. Very simple process, not super simple, but not a super difficult process here. But I'll show you my workflow on it, and you tell me what you think, and maybe hopefully you'll learn something, and I'll learn something myself here as I go along. First thing I like to do is clean the Darkslides. You want to get all of the lint off of these Darkslides here. Just pull these out here. You can take a look. Here's one of them, one of two. I'm going to be loading up 4. And you have to do this in a safe light, a safe red light. I'll take you through that also because I've got my safe light here. So we'll go 0 dark 30 here as soon as I get these cleaned up and show you my process on this. What I like to do, a lot of people, excuse me, will use a brush to clean these Darkslides down. And the reason being, you want to get any lint out of the Darkslides because you don't want this showing up on any of your film. Well, I'm lazy. I'll show you what I do. And I don't care how anybody else does it. This is how I do it. I've had no issues with it. Compressed air, baby. Check this out. What I do, give a little puff, clean these out. Clean all this up. And get them ready. Get them ready for the film. So I'll back these out just slightly, just so I can have them ready to slide in once the time comes. Well, like I said, I love using compressed air. I don't get any moisture on this. It's a little small compressor I have underneath my work table at my desk here, and this thing is just amazing for getting dust off. Couple quick puffs, and there we go. That one's ready. Table's already been pre-wiped. I've already pre-wiped the table down, so here we go. Let's give this the treatment. Something else I want to show you here is your unexposed side goes out to the outside of the Darkslide. If you look at this, you have a black side and you have a silver side. The black side shows me that it's already been developed. So I always put the silver side out first. Silver side out first, silver side out first. And once I've taken the exposure, I'll flip the Darkslide and put the black side out, showing me that it's already been exposed. This is how I do it. People do it differently. This is how I do it. You can set up your own workflow as you see fit. Hit these one more time. Make sure my Darkslide is out. Silver side out. Like so. Once I get those loaded up with film, I like to, this is an unopened bag, it hasn't been opened yet. I pulled it straight out of the Ziploc box. Hasn't been opened yet. I'll put both of these inside of here to keep them lint free once I get them loaded up. We're about to go 0 dark 30 here. Hang tight. All right, I'm back. Here we go. Let's see here. I want to hit these one more time with a little air. Okay. I'm going to load up some film here. Remember, this all takes place in safe light. shiny side out. That's one slide. Back to its dark bag here. And back into the dark box. And this will go back in the refrigerator. Hang tight. All right, I'm back. Back out of safe. I can turn my safe light out. This will go back in the refrigerator. Now, here's my bag, excuse me, that I'll be putting these in just to keep them dust free, keep them clean. Opening it straight up. This is the first time it's ever been opened, so I know there's no dust. So, actually, let me close this back real quick. I want to hit these one more time, like this. Get anything off of them. You don't have to be a real super stickler about this. A lot of the dust and a lot of the little dust particles, if you get any, can be taken out and posted in Photoshop if you like. But I like to stay as clean as I can to keep it away from Photoshop if possible. So here we go. One dark slide, two dark slides. Okay, these are ready to go for the weekend. It's only Monday. They're still in their dark slides. I think I'll be shooting Sunday. So we'll see. All right, that's it. If you guys have any questions about this, let me know. Like my video and subscribe. I'll try to stay updated as much as I possibly can on my YouTube channel. Like I say, I'm all new to, it's all new to me, so I'm a little nervous about every time I go on camera. So take care, guys. Peace, love, and hair grease. Peace.